I'm Rebecca Brandt, and I'm about to go on another bike ride with my new Velotric bike. Today I'm going with my blue bike. I'm going to go all through my neighborhood as I go up to the Santa Barbara Mission, which is uphill from here. It's quite a climb, and I would not have trusted myself with having to power it all by myself to get up to the Mission. So now with my Velotric e-bike, I'm able to easily go to where I want to go without having to worry if I'm going to run out of gas, because my Velotric bike never runs out of gas. It's e-powered. It was a very exciting day when my electric bikes by Velotric showed up at my house. There was a victory as I had seen how easy it was to do, and then I went about putting together the bike. The directions were simple, clear, and easy, and in only about 30 minutes, my whole e-bike had been put together. Woohoo! Ready to go. So on goes the helmet for safety. Click it or ticket. Let's go! On and off to the races we go. Ladies, start your engines. And even getting out of my driveway, I need the assist. So I put it on 1 and I'm gonna go. Yay! Woo! Well, I'm looking both ways. Whee! All down here for now. This is amazing. I feel so free. I am so happy I found this Velotric bike because it's got everything that makes it simple and easy. I don't know if you can hear all that wind rushing behind my ears, but it's about a 78-degree day and it feels so cool on my bike. And right here is when I give it the assist. Up the hill. I've really gotten to know my Velotric bike so well. The LED display is so clear that no matter how bright the sun is, I can always see what's going on. It is so easy to change the gears. It has 7 of them. I love that because when I'm pedaling, I want it to be the most efficient and most comfortable for me to pedal in the gear I like. I even like to pedal going downhill, so I might use a low gear for that. And sometimes going uphill, I'm going to want to give my legs a little workout. So the light gear is what I like for that. That way, I'm still having some activity. It works so great. And just a flick of my thumb, and there goes the gears. I love that there's 2 brakes. There's a left-handed brake and a right-handed brake. And both of those brakes are terrific. I use them both gradually, but I do know that the right-handed one is the one I've got to use first, because that covers the front tire. The left-handed's for the back tire, and they're both really easy to grasp. They're so comfortable in my hand. It's easy to come to a safe, full stop on my rides, because then I can just hop off, take a look around, or jump off my bike to see a sight. The kickstand is so easy to kick up or kick down, and the bike is so stable to be on its own if I need to walk away to go look at something with that kickstand down. The design of the bike is so pretty that it's really attractive. I think I look better on the Velotric bike. And I always try to coordinate my outfits according to the colors. I thought my bright pink shirt against the bright blue would be a nice combination for this video. I hope you like that too. I feel great riding my Velotric bike, but I also want to look great too. I love the style of the Velotric bike, and that blue is such a crisp, pretty outdoor blue sky blue. Now I'm going about 10 miles today round trip on that battery. Well, that battery really could go for 40 miles. And in clear open spaces, I can go about 25 miles an hour. Although that's top speed, I don't always do that because I like to look around and enjoy my bike ride and see what's going on. Today, I am just not in any hurry. I'm enjoying every single turn of those wheels in my beautiful neighborhoods and my route to go to the Mission. So navigating to Oak Park was great with my Velotric e-bike because I didn't have to strain myself going up those hills. And now because all the extra treads in this all-surface wheel, I can even ride on the dirt without fearing I'm gonna skid. And I don't even have it on any gear because this is flat. I'm on a flat surface. The treads on the Velotric wheel are gonna help me go through when there's maybe some dust or uneven or rocky terrain. The treads help me be with the ground so I'm stable and that bike is not going to skid out before me. The fenders are wide and the wheel's not going to scrape against them. I like the fenders because when I go through a lot of dusty parts, it's not going to kick up the dust into my face while I'm driving. It makes sure the dust stays low, not on my legs or my body or my face. The pedals have raised parts, and that's going to give me traction for whatever shoes I'm wearing. Sometimes I don't go into the full bike shoes. I might wear something else, and those pedals are still going to give me traction. My feet aren't going to slip from them. Well, I'm here at the Santa Barbara Mission. It was built in the early 1900s, and they're having the eModernare Festival. All weekend long, they spent to create beautiful works of art out of chalk on the asphalt. Let's go take a look. I'm going to ride a little closer. She's got a hunger. Click the link below to get your Velotric bike. Check them out. I truly am having the time of my life riding this Velotric bike all around my town. I think you'd have a great time too in your town. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a recipe for happiness as I'm feeling free on my bike ride thanks to Velotric.